I started with this plain old t-shirt. It's measuring 30 centimeters from our shoulder down. We do a line with a pencil. Right now what I'm doing is cutting a straight line. Okay, now I have already finished cutting it. Right now it's just looking like this. On the piece of fabric we have left, I'm gonna cut a straight line right here. And then with the bigger piece, what I did was cut basically with a clip. I just took some of the fabric and I passed it all over here so that I had this effect. Here's how both of the parts turned out, and one of the parts was the one I did before and the other one is the one I have just done. And right now what I had to do was sew both of them together. So what I have done is I have cut this little triangle out from the t-shirt, and now I'm gonna cut this line. Right now I'm gonna sew these two parts together. I'm so happy with the result. I never thought it would look this good. I mean, I still have to do some retouches, but I think it looks really cool. This is the before, a normal t-shirt, and this is the after.